am Daisuke from Adult Ballet Wales. I'm an ex-professional ballet dancer and a qualified ballet teacher, and I am going to be a ballet coach for this program. Now, let's crack on! Welcome to Daisuke's 3-minute ballet lesson. In my series, we will cover everything from position of the feet to bar movement. Today, we are going to learn Batman Fondu exercise. Fondu means to melt, and this exercise needs to be done smooth and nicely coordinated and gentle. Let's have a go. Start with fist cushion. With the musical introduction, let's bring arms to the side. Gently bend both knees and gently release together, just off. Gently bend together like a piston. Gently release together. Gently bend together. Now really think about extending from top of your head to the toes. Melt, melt, melt. Stretch, stretch, stretch. So this time a little bit higher. Let's bring up to 45. From the arm, just a little bit higher. Gentle. Keep on moving. Gentle. We never stop. And finish. The common mistake in Batman Fondu is to do with the coordination of the bending and straightening knees. Always bend together, straight together, like a piston. So, for example, in this exercise, we're focusing on coordination, which is bend the legs together and extend the leg together. So movement is happening simultaneously. However, when you do this exercise, everyone does this. So for example, bend, but as you straight, we do 1, 2. Okay? But this is not Fondu. Fondu is to do with the coordination, so make sure bend the knees together and extend the knees same time. If you do it separately, it becomes a bit more like a développé or like a martial arts kick. Okay? So really, I need you to focus. I need you to know when the knees are bending. Especially to the back is difficult because it's hard to see. Okay? So I need you to feel the when knees are bent and when it's exactly straight. So make sure nice and clear, bend together and extend together. Whoa, that was bendigenic! Now you're ready for next challenge. Remember to click the link above, and if you liked it, give me the thumbs up. Remember to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next episode.